My name is Tim Sherrod. I'm here for the Texas Commercial Real Estate Investing Workshop. I've been doing buy and hold real estate now for probably 15 years. I own about 1.5 million in residential real estate. I've been doing great. I feel good about that, but I came to the point about a year ago to where I was ready to make the leap into commercial. And as I started to research and educate myself on commercial, I've ended up here today at this workshop, and it's been amazing, right? I felt comfortable analyzing deals with the basics of commercial analysis. But one of the things that we did yesterday is we went to actually tour property, right? And that's one of the major differences I've seen between this workshop and others, is we've actually gone out, we've looked at deals, we've walked properties, we've seen before and after. And that to me has been amazing, right? And I think as I think back over the past couple of days, what I've gotten out of it the most, it's, I came in about a year ago looking at how can I grow into this business by myself. The thing that I've learned here at Canis Major is these guys bring a lot of experience, a lot of expertise that I don't have. And it probably would have taken me 5 to 10 years to do a large deal. I've gained the confidence today to do it now, right? And so while I know I can do it on my own, be at a smaller scale, at a slower pace, walking out of this workshop, I have the confidence that I can do it now, I can do it sooner, I can do it larger here with Canis Major and the individuals here with the Texas Commercial Real Estate Workshop.